Minto wairire. Tag a friend. Nyako bwato musani ose a family member yao. Ebwato mwibulire iga America. Ose planet cruise mamu mwabo Kenya. Mbara omobegete chi green card. Oh, ama wakaya by the way nto bane tukunyabeka mumu, but I'm trying hard. Try hard to kubeka ama gokomunwa. So, anye kobwata abaibuli bao bamenyete gaiga gusa abaibuli bao tete cruise Kenya nchugo cha turakwana. In fact rero ntete tindi komana. There is good news. Rero tindi komana rero ntete nkwane. Umaite no ena abaibi onye abantu bali abandi muri mamura abaibi mumanyete. No ena abaibi nkoira bali break bara endi kanisa. Abaibi umaite no bagocha batorekere kanisa because Saturday nere bago dedicate atali guchikoibe weekend nere bago deciding about no weekend itindi guchikoiba bagende kanisa. So naliyo konyora abandi bagotoleka naliyo konyora abandi bagocha baba abantu abaya umukanga abaibi mbali guchikanisa abaibi ngo gospe abali chi weekend angi abandi ibere abandi ye mumutinyi mbarwete a time slot ya nyasaye yoko indi kanisa nkwenda bali kanisa. So matuka mange nganchite osinganchite gose inalete komana inero representation imbwate yani no komana because that's how nkorole ebintu murucheko byeningi yana rosete ko byinje nanyi roast by the way nguchiyo ninde buya chidora 10 nyego risk out of state wakanira $5 shipping. Ono rero ntaite ko muibi oli konyukoiba ntaite koiba ntaite nkwane no nerio giriororo nari abanta ntaite abantu bategerere bali bangete komanirwa abantu bali batanchite komanirwa. Ono rero ntaite ntoleke asingincho y'abantu abankwane nkora nandi kwinyolinde sana timbesa komana. Ntaite gukwanira topic yokoleta abaibuli ku Kenya. Abantu abange barusiri abaibuli Kenya. Nande kera bakurusi abaibuli Kenya. Insachinde abandi mbabwata mupango insachinde bande mbabwati mupango lakini abantu abange baletera abaibuli babo. Ono nande gento kende ntaite goteba you don't have to subscribe to my message onye kuibete message yetiri gokogoki onite yogo kobetere lyotegerere. It is up to you. Abantu ntaite gukwanira mono n'abantu bali bare young people bakurusi abaibuli in Kenya bono tali amakonga ali atiringire chinyumba cyabo no abantu bali bare willing to learn. And abantu abari willing to learn n'abantu bali bamayitinga something I've lived with and I know about it tiange kwanire nte mbundisa abantu bandi bali bakurumayiga yani ntete mba story nyinge igoro yo family yane nande mumanyenga my brothers mbara my nephews mbara my sisters mbara my family members no bara lakini I always try kuba as honest and as genuine as I can ekerongo kwana igoro yegento gete tintageti tindi gutaka gote abantu gento ntara practice ebinte binge ngo kwanera nebintu at least mbwate evidence mbwate facts na kolire research na arolire so aso bwenge ko batebye story because ekeronko rango tebe message okonyora abantu abange bagwe question ekerongo kwana igoro ya marriage abandi bateba musacho utali mu gusi gotoma itiba gusi abantu bari muri critics abantu maroro bari critics egasi no go criticize. You don't have to listen to the message and you don't have to subscribe. But I want to give you a brief history. Igoro ye reason yente to kwanere discussion ye topic ya Bible. Like I have lived it. It's not something I'm making up. So, nanga nyete kuru Kenya in 1993. I was 19 years old. Gachaga iga January 1993 na nina igeta America. Mama akambwatia in August. Mama achete America na yani she followed in 1993 August. Igo gwete nje na mama tuwabele rai miaka the same. Alafu nimbwate ba muraba minta banene ba achete kale. My two brothers ba achete in the 70s, 78. Na my other brother gacha I think 80 something, 89 or 88. Inchengabo yo gatatu. And thereafter abana bande ba minto mbalega. Na ande mo bugab na nkweyane kirande. Ngotaka otwara otebi monte story gento manyite ande tindo chobo kongo otebi gento manyite so igo igwete tali ngantu anyako nanyako kumanya mangana ya Bible na amanyire mangana ya Bible, but along the way ebintu mbiroro neso mirie amangana yokoleta Bible igaiga insago summarize ndara ndas chi point ntaite kukwanira ekero okoleta Bible bao kwacha komenya na barabuga iga inche ne family yane tuigwana nete tukakwana mama na amenyete na my brother, mama na amenyete na my brother. And first initially nje na mama tu amenyete with one brother. Nje nga chankanganya nkaenda buone. Kero na abasa mama agatigara koboro. Mama obeli na my brothers, obeli na my other siblings. Omo eli ega ikasegete tukayigwana ngaki mama tigacha komenya na inche in agreement tuigwana ine na my brothers telinga kende kebete. No. Wakaranga tiga mama akoleke tigache ache mwane tuka mama umenyire na inje over 20 years. Okay, na ande experience imbwate no ndangiri bono igoro yoko menya Bible. I will tell you kende nkiyo ntaramanya because my mom igare 83 years old inchende 47 ande ndo mwana wa number 7 igo manya experience idinye bwate talinga ango kwane bintu ntamanye tigo sengo kagera chi challenge nchirororo chigo cha no komenya Bible chi challenge chi nyinge chiri common insago chi nyora bwangu ya nintachirika na mbeye emonekero koleta mamu minu nyombe challenge etangani no ene dress code na beko be problem kero skinny jeans chi achetenga chakakobeka skinny jeans mama was not okay nkobeka chi jeans chi anga chigo toni chi nyonga she was not okay with that lakini ngatema komotenga mama bono chi angechi inere fashion ando yi mama uitali mama biara ngoto ni chinyonga igokonya gwetana nebintu byobosoku that was a big issue because to understand it na chinga kicha change chianga na chichi namba very discipline abana kero dinta ite goita abana ntaite go discipline abana because mama ale grandma to my children also kwarale all the time na bakonyoru interrupt ya abana gusogenda lili na itiro mwana uchiko hayo mwana uchikwebereri omwana yani ine basi ayere in order because ine erengina koro abana abu nande it is in order abangina kuri inere gasi bagokora igento kini nabura nyole nkoma nandi numugakone nje bono ndi mwane nkoma namnantete koma na gosomo gakone natete koma na akoma igento na advice ti mama kuri the beginning gose mama kolete gweka no kuimuka ogende room kiraro riro yokire okora oyende room osie kobeka no ene ready taigwa because tintarget yasoe ese mwane asese yere mwana because bono gali mwana yokire musacha abasacha nabakungu goikaba omane kera abasacha nabakungu bakoma na Bible baomba gwene tugosoime haya abantu bali tusokereta abantu tokunywa maru inche nkonyunda maru mugakone nkonywara maru kera abantu banyura maru onyo mugako gakale kunywa maru ogugochikero goigoro gosomo gako onywa maru o taliko tigali bali kuruchibia ibali kunchibia 10 anga konyu 9 atigali chokorusie birole ni chokorusie bikoroto lakini wono nyumo sacho gako nyuma mu minu no amete nyomba ali omugako otindire mamo mino gose mamo mwabo mu muroyo gategeto murusie bikoroto murusie birole o make sure ngambiyale egasi ine yo musacho youth awene tamanyenge kero kunchibia 10 tigali yemo yokorusie bikoroto lakini nye mamo mino kale nyomba you are not going to do that because one mamo mino tatageti koigwa ngomuga ko orarire kero igoro ngomuga ko garara ne birore ebi ikineche bimubweka nonko ba she will always get in it haya mamo mino no musubati tato mino no musacho linge boye umongino yocha nyomba mwawo bono talinga agwanja it is by nature onya ego kuruka kwatire bintu abukwara atubwese mwawo no kaiboire umongina umenya gatenga imuka karati nye stove tigago ikaransa abageni ngocha bali bono mama ngonye kumuyoringa mama abageni talinche bacha gokorera inspection abageni tiga bacha bina bakora kibacha bagende so you find that your parents also your husband's parents bachire mwao bono ba take over mwao talinga abagwancha lakini barochinga peni nanga kobundisa kwakora iga peni nanga kobundisa kwakora so they try go impose chichi beliefs chiri abo nebintu biri byabo you know ba okinereti because a parent is always a parent onye muka mumura it gets worse because bono igagote mumura nga musubati yotali konyugwera koigure haya okirete iga amangana abire Kenya olio menyeti abaibuli nero kirenso goshugulikera matanga kirensa ngagento gete kiabeire iza chinde liri bono mugako achire gosomongino achire mwaikire bono mutetu musigigete gento muri climax egento nandi manyeti time difference ya Kenya naga umuntu wakere mamu minesimi gostato minesimi mbura kwa baire simi because bono barabuba gotire mbali kuri gento they are just idling onye bamenyete both of them ne rumo baete they are just idling bamenye kurore simi ku Kenya oake room omugako obono nonyonyu konyo bwokirie gari ochaka kulimie gari omusubate nye naye wacha oroche bono igore getirianda nando chaki kubeka mamumi no akire gesieri nga choni yondo nyanja nkurangiria ari kwanango nere bono konyo mwacha kire emiremeri omongino yere no akonya waka chisimi chikonya gocho bwato onya goturu omugako gose mamumi no it doesn't matter gose no abayibuli ba gose no abayibuli bo musacha ogotura odd hours and this is happening across all families odd hours tamaitinga odd hours tamaitimna wakorire emirimo tamaitimna kwarosire erega esimiki yacha gagochereka korborero koreki mbali korara by the way because one mbabwa titoro so that is a big difference a big complication that can come there tumenye go chigento kendo konyora bona abayibuli onye nabayibuli bo musacha bamenyete naye nyomba omumroye tali buna ise iga chandire ngina nyoko byara bona guchikurigiri mumroye orrango ochande to mwana oye igo chande to mwana oye because ngote byabunga abu sibye bintu abu iro mwana abu bona ngina abonye mwana ale anga gote mwana oyo ne gachandire abangina bande ndamwami yacha yababwatekera bana babo bamenyete buya endamwami yacha kubalia bachaka korango mwana obo gachandire niba bagote mwana ona at least okoli obeire buya kubwaise enda mwami yachaka kubaite muna bono ngakiago koli umwana nemirimo yiga inkiya konya komone ri umwana one igora kamokora abana abangina bono mara chinyinge no ena basacha mbaro lakini bono kire gento kire visible no bari in your space kwarade egento kene karomo bwata abageni ekigori ya change abageni bane no bagocha bane konyu baramaru abayibuli bawanye naba SDA kwalete batata itukunywa amaru abantu ba LNG White na kanita amaru bona ayote tukunywa amaru mwao kwaletera abayibuli mwao ngabona utete konya kunywa amarubo nkunyunkunyu ingiye ka rotete kunywa amarubo nkunyunkunyu onye go kunywa amaru mwao amaru gose kanyu lakini bona singe chikwaleta abayibuli mwao amaru ali okonyu with a lot of care kwarale we be conscious all the time aya amangana yibirabu abantu baro twanchite birabu gutara butuko mamondra bona nabekire cyenga ngo soka ndi uchi club amenye komboli ngo mukungu ibole totiga abana nyombo chikotenga yani I'm giving you real stories and tell you mama kubol mama mbia kubol because asemiaka yayo mukungu ibole thank you gutigiro mwana mwogendo chikotenga isiko aya egendo kene expectations abantu babwata saba ibolia in my case and I'm repeating in my case no nyama mama menyete mwane mama taliero kondugera mama taliero kongabusera mama taliero gukora chores no ena abana ne daycare nabegite kwarale abana ambegite daycare yes no ari insachinde karonko run in and out lakini structure nero roraza husband and wife mobwate ngaki abana babako abana ko ende daycare is always the best thing nandi insachinde talinga you can't afford umokoleta abangina bali mwaranga tigabanya kulinda abana your mother-in-law, they are not the best babysitters. Those people will spoil your children. Bago sareri abana no en discipline mbali kunyara go discipline bana. Bona yoka itenga kwaleta tema mummi na akolendera abana ani mamummi no na tato mino bachiri mwawo bago tringeira abana bago tigira big mess. Iga abana bawonete bakoleki bagende daycare. They are not babysitters, Tigantigera abu as some of the few things because the video yebe enyenge and I mean to chakunya go kwanda next time abanta bakurusi abayibuli Kenya egentege tanga ni mwente kwebolia ekero kwa na chireki nanga kurusira abayibuli bawo Kenya ekerenga kyobwate ekero kurusi abayibuli bawo Kenya enga kinga nanga ki obangite koleta abayibuli bawo baberega iga ekinege nto wenete kweboli okobekera abayibuli bawo green card emyaka yabo myaka kimamu minale mama achitega iga kali 56 or 57 emyake yokurusi mamu mino Kenya inkiago chakokora aga iga nyumba ase korora ahead of time kubeka mamu mino in the house go babysit abana. You are killing your mother, you are killing your father because these people were active ono kwa barusiri Kenya kwa babekire nyumba ayenyechi dabo menyete omongino olioboka kuruma mbinya koligere risiko pako waira taliko kora kende abana akonya kubwati abandi bako buneka go chi abandi abimwana bisaliri because nere bono ga bisaliti kwarali. How long do you want to put your mother here? How long do you plan to bring your father here? Namba inye abayibuli aba ekwaru setima mu mino na tato mino Kenya okwa rustima mu mino tato mino Kenya Bible mbabere kwaleta onye kwaleta to muibuli oyomo ngati olengerete omuibuli olio ndagatigarite Kenya agendererete because tato mino na mamu mino abantu bali twasokire twamanyire ngenyoma nenko lakini there is no any other time abayibuli bagane teach other than the time they are old because tato mina kurwara likuba mamu mina arware ondete yokoera lionde no nyenkende lakini bona ikoimukiri mamu mino kwa moletire gaiga usikoimukiri tato mino kwa moletire gaiga ekero koleta abayibuli gaiga ekerenga nkereki and on the top of the green card again take a green card kiabere again to king slavery mama to slavery ekeronko batayinge green card yabere a form of slavery abangi nabaruwete Kenya bagakabaruwete Kenya babekere chi green card igaiga abana babo bakure abasacha babo bakure abana bamwe bakure ngasenye nchabekere green card bono mbako genda Kenya elino busaitani green card kene saitani yasoira saba ibuli green card inge uko irande green card tudukuchwa korera kendi Jones olino busaitani you are missing everything obegete mamu mino waiga abantu bamwe bonse bibakure mamu minare depressed because one omubwatete hold it your parent hostage. There is no need you to hold your muibuli hostage over a green card. A green card is nothing, my friends. A green card is a traveling document. Umongino mwana yasire umongino koyibolete umongino musacho yasire umongino koyibolete umongino isasire umongino yingi nasire abairi baje bonse bakwete Kenya lakini yasinge nchukua mubekirite green card. Now you don't want your mother to travel to go and attend a funeral. The green card is satanic. The green card for parents is demonic. Deciding kyoko bekera abayibuli ba green card. What is the purpose you kubekera abana abayibuli ba green card? Why are you keeping your parents here in a green card? A green card keri, it is a devil in the making. Ya study family chinyingo masana. You know, ask yourself, ekero kwa abekire green card tumenye gusuka step number 5. Abayibuli abekero ko banganyi ko Kenya. Mwa uko bamenyi. Nga yugo chiko bamenyi. Abayibuli bande husband and wife mbali ko yuwan. Aba mothers bande nabantaba bento manyete onye ko bwate mamu mino mobe no manyete onye ko bwate tato mino no mobe no manyete oyi moki abayibuli baba batali ko yuwana abande gose bakorora tu arranged marriage abande mbancha ini omenya ko baleto babeke mwawo ekero ko bekera abayibuli ba petition ye green card. You must decide obe intention of na tuachite as a family togatebanga mama mwapeni na akomenya mama no ale no permanent residence ya yere no akomenya mwane na andi totara ana check ineke. I had to involve my husband ana check ina my husband agateba yes it is okay tigama mama menye nentu. It was not just an accident, it was intentional, it was something that was discussed. Yes wa fire area Bible ya green card na yuta geteba menye manye na check ino nye mulega iga several siblings obaligeriye nyomba mwaka ne rent go saba Bible anye they in their 50s, they in their 60s no ina ba America ngoko bali mirimo in their 70s. Let them go and to work because one kwa bayire green card ira abana ba daycare tika go burden your parents with your children in the house. Take your children to daycare and pay daycare for 5 years. Mama mino in her 50s should not be sitting enya kuligeri chitirisa alikonya sakole mamugondo. It was good. Adisikonya sakole korora chiombe chia. It was good. Do not take your mother omo currency a 50 something year old. One nigga my husband is 50. A 56 somebody old is an energetic person when eta kole mirimo yae airageri onye uko migrate abayibuli ba ogo cha America gaiga na and some of you mumanyete nga abayibuli ba ino they did not invest mbabu ati bolemo mbabu ati kende na and bona ye kwa baleta ayo monyine to bwa ati kende. Stop keeping your parents in your house ko $100 a week. Liba woko batika bagende Walmart babe no ne chigrita liba woko batika bagende no nye cheap gas station yezibake bali momete chi state chingi ya ba pump gas banyole chibese bagache banyole chibese baira ne Kenya. There is no need obe ko muibuli omwao because you might have and bono muraika astwaikire. Let me tell you, when that time comes you will not be able to care for your parents because you know what, you have not saved enough for a home health aid. You have not saved enough for a physical therapist. You have not saved enough for a nutritionist. You have not saved enough for those parents. So let those parents work. A system. Let them get SSI. Let them collect welfare if they need to. Let them get health insurance. Let them get in the system. And you green card. Let them get in the system. Don't bring your parents, babysitters in your house. Your parents who are in their 50s, are in 40s. It is a big mistake. It is the wrong thing to do. Ekero wa deciding nga Bible yaba kwa bale tirega iga. Nga yugo chikoba menyi eboli. chimaza indo chinde yani cha iraba abasubati ngai mumure mogeti ngina kaleta gaiga omusubati ono emwaeta agokorana no gokorana no nyine chikundi takoenda mine chikuni atagete yani akonya kumurusia magosa bakaba mura nano wechire gaiga. In fact, you must want to on planet Earth. She will never have peace unless you divorce you must actually. Because in a camera on my mother. My mother, you give me a say nacha woman. On my mother. Oh, bakery, Jenu Manoya, to a mana. Eh, open your comboling or cover your penny on Igona Aguner. Mamma Corangabo, think I'll be young a kinkumo challenge. Killing and down the Namukaning and no. Ininga kiao ni ninga kian. Abana nga kyogo kini abana masomberera. Yani she is on point and I cannot blame her. I cannot blame my mother. Nga omboli limbo baboli. No mbiyako boli lakini singe nchali mama na bonko muirane. Lakini orocho nyangi na biara wata yango musubati okara. Ese ga enene tukianda yeikomi. Yongo matenga mami nga kiliao. Eninga kiao. Iroka chisimi. Abana ababere chisimi koru mami mpaka maragoba. No. Woko mukani nginga kili ino mwabwate simi no ene landline babwate babongwenyi my father na ubachi balinga batanga ni during my day otwara chi landline obe nona nachina chaka kuomana mwari konte bikorukale ngangirane kora nchimbiya mono beki intebi nabatebi ngo chaka kuomana gaki monginyori ndait kuomana iganta itenkwane. Please, nginyoli moko ranko imana gali imbekere message ndorenga na chakiri kuomana. Aba ibuli aba mbatageti bana bakole ebintu. Bamanya guchaka kurwani abana bawo. In fact bakurwana na abana ba umongino nyoko byara wose your mother atinga ine segi no mwano. Aba ibuli abono kwa baletre kwa babekiri mwawo. Ebintu biri byonse bibale gukubundisa kokoli na bibatete bakoli abana bawo in a different country, eh? Oh mbiyandi evoli mumbiere ndai tingo manere ronto etenkwane bona esegi getinga ine between abana ina mama abana basoera mama soera on soera abana bono gere iyo yogete nandi bono umanyenga umusacho ne tarayika tali mu busina anda chigo konsoera nyina byara nanda ansoera yani kero umuntu bono nyumba ago soera kero umuntu decide kero ko rusia bayibuli Kenya nga yote ite koira abayibuli aba aya ekero kwanganyiri inubono mwachire maju moro chinga bono mwakerolire mwarusiri abayibuli Kenya mwabaletere gaiga inyura nga abayibuli abambetigeta abana bandi Kenya toko ba so selfish oiro muibulio unless muibulio nera takerochi nande muibulio takerochi ga abangi nambaro maite basalikire batagete kobera banyako ukominyokia abangi nambaro maite bakominyokia basacha iskanye mumanyeti bale bakoli abana iska abangi nambara bakaya yubara abali in their 50s and 60s bakoli yegwegento kanga monta ire mamu mine dukali anine genta chikoli abangi nambara bakaya yubokaya itabibona bwachaka bukaya yumkali bwachaka abangi nambale mabakonya koliyegento iska mbata itkwira na bono Kenya bono batenga kweli ya no igento ke once amanju ga kyongire choni umusani yo njongirire mama eduka gaiga omuyiro mwake gente gali mu muirani abangi no balega iga bagusimo kanga ngana abasongo bakuliya negali abagusi no bono bakuliye gugaiga America because you know what, you can't even imagine your mother can do that. You understand? Bono mongina kagocha mwali rege ntoga enenete umumroye enenete akurwani mukamumura ebolinge kero kurusia bayibulu eba Kenya nga yota gite bakoleki babere abana bandi bali mu gatigete Kenya nga kibara bakoba kero kuba urangina nga kyo balengerere tyo obugimo bwabo bokoba nkyo kulira abana bandi mamu mwabo because I want to watch America. That is being selfish, wegule ekero wa kwebulirira swali elyo na chekina egento kende na nebundisire eyiye kale gose namba kyanda anga onye ninche nalingo kobwa anga mama nali kumutuma Kenya 6 months oira na 6 months inche nali gokora 2 years. 2 years was not good enough. If I'm given the chance again, you won't go mama agende Kenya 6 months aira ne 6 months. You know why? Because nabwata chijirani cyayali nabwata abantu bamwabo bamwanchete nabwata baamate bali ba mu miseti nande kubwamo nabantu abagusiti gamba tebi ubutachiri nobole Kenya ukagetenga bono mwachitega iga America mo gukora chidabo no ubutachiri bole Kenya ali nabantu bali bari scheme babwate over 100 acres of land babwata a lot of land tigama mu minagenda agusimikire mite tigama mu minagenda akobikire chingoko tigama mu minagende Goseta atomino bagokorera amagenderero Kenya kore gaiga. There is no need oko keep abayibuli bawo gaiga when they are active citizens and no bwate funding no bwate chibese bona no bwate American dollars bekira mamu minege ntuye chingoko mamu mino chaga igo bond na bana ba 6 months kwa mu beke ndege kwa mu nandi to basako mo choice motebi nga you are living bekitora chererwa ntaite ngote yinye nkoma rero tindi komana rero ndo muswati umiya ntaite kwane because message ntaite ikera abantu rero ntaite kwane tindi komana nkwane n'abantu bayigu because the topic I am very passionate about it and the people are suffering abayibuli abamenyetega iga bachandira abantu sana bachandira abana bachandira chikamati bachandira abana babo and it is because ekera abantu bako baleta mbali kolengereria ira ni mamu mino Kenya aleme gorera mamu mino onye muri abarogi onye kwarweta asa abantu baringa abarogi to basa koira mamu mino nka gorera mamu mino boli mu kantafu nabona nimbwata mali mali kantafu for sale onye gotaito boli mu kantafu in boxing gotebyo boli mu mburali gorera umongina 50 by 100 plot digichibese chidi digichibese dyokoligya bekera mamu mino enyomba ororo umubekere chingoko umubekere teacher keep her busy there moemere mutika koleto mungina igonya kumuikaransi nyomba onya komagamaga give them work onya abantu abana babalinga skimuro chinga into twalinga tokero cy'abantu be skimu nk'abana basomete bacita America kare onya bangina abango anabagaka baro chinga nya kwenda balinga Kenya abana bacita kare angabono be yagachi tuturi chimiliyone America nense y'abantu abataka obono botaka bolema obutachiri bole Kenya gali no bonge sana tumi obole mu bwino teima makubekere emete teima makwagachere nyumba amangana yuko nyago chiko kombwa chinyombe kero kwa rurega iga yaya abantu abamule chi BSN abantu abamule chi doctor abantu mule chi engineer abantu mule chi IT whatever mubwate chibe chingiya bole nyomba Nairobi ngiye goseniro worobolemo agache nyumba ya ma obeke mamu mino rona tato mino obatigo inale goteba abantu bali muruwete michi asabarogi bali abarogi umaitengo nabo barayita abayibuli bawo barusyo roroka bumuntu ro mungaini karansa na mukao onye kobwato mukungu baranga king mbese irenga tokokora togutumia twagachire mama nande amasase na machuma. Let me tell you there is nothing bad when abantu balega iga America batari go share chibese onye kolega iga America and your husband and wife and you don't have a joint spending I know monto sirete na anu monto gocha kwa bo monto mutaka sana umukungu agasaine gutuma guchisobo nayo agasaine gutuma guchisino umucha kwa bi monte bitaka morere abantu morere mwebori nka ichibese chiachete sit down onye kore married no mugako no mongino budget yo mani manyanku agachira tole mama enyomba kwagachira tole tate enyomba amasasa ndi gako ibachibese ako ende eduka aira nchibese amasasa ako ibachibese agenda chikwagachira abayibuli bawo. Let me tell you amasasa ko ibachibese taliyo ndoko ibera nayo kuibera ikaransa no mugako motebi na my friend andi to basa ko mobo musacha no yo motebi ngaye onchonga ntaite twagachire mama enyomba budget nereri indi togo chaka kwagachira mama enyomba tekonya kuiba chibese kwanya kwagachira abayibuli chiasara egali egende wake mburuma itemwensi kweni muri kigali egali egende wake gaiga obuneke echeki eri okoganya every 2 weeks and I need BSN go sign engineer go sign inkyole that check will not be there. You understand? Tiga konya kuiba chibese gutuma chibese go chisino no musacha nera konya gutuma chibese go chisoba abantu amurega iga America sit down collectively and deciding umuko agachira umusacha to kwagachira umukungu to kwagachira ingoni de tie nyomba ori de nyomba ya marabara agachira fast na aba sobo mumura na aba sobo mukungu onye no wanja lakini ubusokungu chabolekero kwagacha sobo musubati otaragacha sobo mumura muromo maitebo you go evaluate eboli mnanga ki ngai ngotogo chakera because minto tigamba tebi na abakurerega na ene break yane na chakuba tigamba kurere nkamangane mechando mbosiere because abayibuli abatwa ruseti Kenya twalete ta batosarira chinyomba aya igento kende onye turaguliro mu ibuli life insurance chi life insurance jirega abangi naba monspi nabagakaba monspi mukorusi Kenya bagulire insurance baligire insurance abangi nabamba chebaikasi bakurwara all kind of diseases their immune is going to fail everything of your parent is going to fail everything manyabo it's coming mpaka their mental status is coming. Buy insurance for your parents so that way you know again to gesa ko babera you can take that life insurance over in Kenya onye gwa deciding na ko babeka gaiga warare abantu bagolera abayiboli life insurance, pay into the life insurance. Tikonya gotobeke mechango konya gosaba. It is okay kurumo chango, but back yourself up with life insurance. A video metenata itebe less than 30 minutes because tintageti abantu mbacha konyerora. Moyigule chipointi echichos pinabe kagabu. Tiga korusi abayiboli Kenya kubaleta gaiga without a plan. Nando nyemugo chagai kokoleta abayiboli gaiga. Umuswati nali gokwana nere, she's a friend of mine. Ba rusiti ngina na ise Kenya bakabaleta gaiga, bono bakagora chinyomba na mumuro mwabo bale down the street, omongino no mugako yo bakwe mincha every week. Be mincha kurumo muswati, be mincha babo goliyo boyanga batara. They don't need a ride. Batara bagenda mumurobo. Babero mumurobo muka mumuro bago sinyana ke omongino yakale aga control ti musacho yo. Nando mutebi muka nandi tuirane, onyo mama bendo na tata be mincha nande bayira na mwana. Bakobera mwana nande muswati yo gante etinga my friend. Abayibuli abayani batorosiri ntome yani nande bako maita abayibuli mbale nenche kango jakogota abayibuli mbale maita very very close nanda amaga kambaro ero no motenga tenga nako nyagotenga aritabwa timanga namange ero no motenga nchitogende guchi atete itukunye kwagi wono mungino yo gago boss nanda okora ngaka bwate dimension yago boss mugako yabayimuka bagenda gali nande bayimuka bagenda gayiga lisa selinde ngaenda nera out lito kunya kwa wibiye kuiga tukunya kwa uchi drink rende toragere chicken wings totigarte nginamenya kunya go blessing ngachise chisa ngapi chise oyingi nabono ngabono ngina numusacha nyumba bale mama numusacha one nyumba bale injebona na achire out na girlfriends achire kora sera karaka ne nabasandi bane one of the facts that you musacha one na mama nyumba bale nchisi konkale it is bothering omongino oyo nga obuno butaya yo obo marayo gokora omongino oli aga blessing omongino oli aga blessing toliko mochi mongino oli bona ase myaka yaye na baroche nga ngotaya yo kale tamanyitinga kwaenda kora have a drink minto chipoint echiara isanire share talk to your friends tika korusia abayibuli Kenya kobaleta gaiga without a plan. Have a plan while you're bringing your parents here. Nande kero kubaleta manya how long you kubamenyi. Nando nyabali myaka bara akole mirimo. Let them work. If you cannot let them work, send them back home. Because you know very soon, onanyo mintoni ngoroche, very soon they are going to be a problem to you because onye tobwa ati insurance for them, onye tobwa ati medical coverage for them, it is going to be a problem to you. Onye kwaruse timamo mino Kenya katika tato mino, what plans do you have? Nande tigamba tebi my friends ndete motegerere buya okoragerera unkora asaba ibuli ege samba kyo mwali ndete ko batebi ni ya child care nande nabatenga child care no nyama mulinge nyumba I paid my children to go to daycare mukanga abana nyumba ali balenge nga mama singe nchale nyumba no I took my kids to daycare bakoira no bateninera abangina bande babwatenda mwamu yechibese batageta abana babakane which you can also understand onye basoge tomochi iseta bagachete iseta bagoleti bolemo they have goals abangina babande yani abana babo bagotenga batutigira abana koboko bachiri koligichi living abangina abamba bwate dreams they did not have opportunities wanekero koleta mamu minu kwa mubeka nyomba toliko mwakana amatanga gako bakenya toliko gotoma bese otete kobeka mamu minu ngakolerera abana for free. Your mother is not here to babysit for you for free. Take your children to daycare. If you have petitioned for your mother, let her find a job. Tikakobeka abana abayibuli hostage. Na ino abangina abambali muri chilivini. Ekero kwa leta tuwe ochakolenda abana. Tokora lenda abana lende contract yako era okora ogenda. Inkyo monta okorutumira chibeze chinyinga okoreta koru Kenya. Ga kireta anyole kwa bikiru endega liguchi California. Abangina bande batusinyire omongina akuruchi nyomba from house to house omusubati ndo mogero ndagachaga igacha omuroye ga kirete iga kanisa twali guchi onyolro mu Nigeria otagete enani imagine mamo minu moko ende kanisa ali kwanza ali chikanisa CSD no abangina bayichire bali bagochamo time tugasaba Catholic na barambaka watamanga nayo bona baumirane nabangina bandali ekanisa stogoche omongino yoko matenga inchu ngochikondendera abantu omongino lia kaimo kagachaga temo muroyo magere nganta getengende na nyorire mirimo those days yali waka no $300 challenge chibe chinyinge for 3 children omongino oli omogero oli akaimuka ku nyumba ali akagenda gachikomanya mu Nigeria. My friend, interview what happened. Omongino oli akagenda mu Nigeria. Chibiribiri chiko mwasi muri gochia, fufu gochia, chinzu chigo tyoka gochia. Enyombe ekendete akagenda wana mangana ali nate bali mwane agachikonyora mangana ali aba Nigeria. Chindre kero bachakire ko mano mosacho oli osamba mokayo rengata orutanse. Imagine ngomongino yo gatigete omumuroye nyombe ere yalinge 4 bedroom because mumuroyo tabwa ati bana ngati gagenda achikuliye emirimo $300 matukuma keigo bako mwaka room mbali ko room ngiye bako waka room kandi guchie basement aka room akankabwa atano ene hita omongino oli before we know it tukayigubuna chi her organs have failed toko akorangeri 911 toko enda gotenga okontenga pain. Ile baridi ilikuwa hapo. Hiyo nyumba. Ile kelele ilikuwa hapo. Hiyo pilipili ilikuwa hapo. Inkioro chiki alusimo ngino yo nyumba. Achieto tigira abana baye. Riyo gochigo babysit. Mumu Nigeria aba Nigeria mbali koli bokima. Emereme ya sabanta abako enda bachikolerera abana abayikoyo bachikolerera abagere bachikolerera abakalenjini. Ebinto bakoli bono to koli. One of my friend umongino yo. Onye muigweto onye mama omino onye ne auntie yao. Ngokuole because of poor nutrition. Because tulikoli bokima tulikoli sukuma ndagireri yawo koli botambite iyo wona genda mu muntu chiko koye uchibiribiri genda gali onya gotyokeri genda gali uchiko iguri omana is emotional abuse, nutrition abuse, everything is abuse. Inki gyako basorete kuri mwama mumino gwa mwamumro mwamuswatyo line chilivini omenyete chi basement ebinyombe bichafu inki bona abayibuli abago tokolere emirimo bune nande onye gokoro mu ibuli yo chakire ko misbehave muimokie motebi ngane vacation moko genda muire ni Kenya umutigoro nye nae kwambu bigete petition motebi ngatoga ngende turakwani abantu umutigoro ragenda akole chikonda because inki utaite mamo minanye gwetananira from state to state abandi umenye mwacha kurangeri guma itembiye batari ko batangasira babatebi abangi nababande bakwerete chinyomba cy'abantu abangi nabande banyoreta maruiri sibakora chilivini batari kuragera umuntu ikamerete bimwana birega America mbiri koyigu ibimwana birega America nibimwana bibisana ibimwana bikiniri bitabwati manners mbiri ko take instruction ibimwana bisaliri umwana w'ikigoteye umwana kole ko umwana abangi nabari chi stress cyabayita. They are not trained teachers. Take your children to daycare. Let your mother go home and do something. Or let your mother go find a job at Walmart. Do not subject your mother to childcare. Your mother did not even babysit you. Your mother did not even go to college to school to be a child caregiver. Children need a lot of work. I have been a direct care. In Cheraba by 3 p.m. I have raised my children and I take pride. In fact, my friend. This is my house. Everyone by 3 p.m. Sura ya kazi. Everyone they are not good children. I get America. They argue back. They don't want to do work. But easy life. Abana bantigere anyana hali gutigera mama nkiniri abana anga abana banga kibale because mbate tikokora any work. Mama ranga bono aba chokoro banu nyako banja. Abana baba America they are bad children. Abana Nairobi they are bad children because they don't want to do anything. We are raising lazy children in society because the mother is not there. Mama minutari ro discipline ri abana. Tato minuta rero go discipline ri abana umongi na kuru Haiti umongi na kuru Nigeria rero go discipline ri abana. You are the only one who can instill values that you had that brought you to America on your children, not your mother. Your mother could not even instill those values because she was in the village. She does not have knowledge to redirect. She does not have knowledge to this environment. Na manyete Kenya we were raised na fear. Abana they are not afraid of anything. Wano kwa batigire nani kwa batigire umongi no mogo tukoro senkuru wa Igo senkuru Sierra Leone. No. Take your money. Tigakonya kwa gacha chikoroba Kenya. Tigakonya gutoma chibese go Kenya. Take your money and put it in daycare. I did it for 5 years. Ogwa kane daycare kwanda kuyu mwana omaragoba. Na andike rokurusi mwana we daycare. Come home to your children. Nga registered nurse yakokora 2 jobs. How can you be a registered nurse BSN okore 2 jobs you tigere to mongi na abana nyumba? Are you okay? Omo tuombi yole okokora chidabu. Omo search ole BSN, omo search ole engineer. Nga kyokoba ya IT manager, ya IT what? You are never home na bangi na motigere to ko kini abana. Your children will fail right in your face because the nannies are not the ones who are going to instill the values. The nannies are not the ones who are going to teach your children what to do. Now, fast forward. Mama aruarte nyomba. My kids must make ugali. Abana banenta getaba make sure nga mama iruwa bokima, mama iruwa manyabwali. My mama is sick. Mama iruwa malyogo. One is 21, 18 and 15. In fact, ngonya kolika text kurubolera nga mama rage remed in ande tini kolika text inta ite konyore report. Na ande telling Uncle Roche, I have learned. I'm 47 years old. I have lived it. Abana ba America, Emily, aba be inoba manyete. I have learned from other people. You understand? But they are not your friend. You must fight for yourself. You might protect yourself. These children, when you are old, they are going to put you in a nursing home. And you know what? You did not save enough money to a good nursing home. You go watch a nursing home, it is funded by the state. Once in a while, once in a blue moon. These children are going to shove you in a nursing home. And they will never come to see you because you are never there. There is an article I read where it said, if you have body-to-body contact with your children, you have an interaction with your children, the children will come to visit you in the nursing home. Don't be working doubles and then expect that these kids are going to come and check on you in the nursing home. You must train to see your children all the time. They must learn to miss you. They must learn to desire you. Your children cannot desire you. Double, triple, or one job and another job. Your children cannot desire you. No. They are going to shove us in the nursing home. Abana ba net straight mama iteka ne nursing home ba ko ngira. Onye tin say it's a done deal. Because you are so busy building mansions home, you are so busy sending money home, you are so busy abanda mubwate chinyombe chi mortgage. You can take in fact can get son. Obwate mortgage ya 4,000. You are registered nurse. Ogwaka ne mortgage ya 4,000. A registered nurse. Talingo okali bosene CFA koros 400,000. Ogwaka na mortgage $3,000. Omontomo usiboli. Kenya turagacha. Vana nkwanya korora. Oko kora chidabu. Oakanete nanny. Do not expect your parents to be nannies. Your parents are not house helps. Your parents tali abaleli. Your parents are not landscapers. You did not bring your parents here over kolye meremu. Your parents have done their job of raising you. Tika kocha nyombo expecting a mamo minasi binto. You are putting too much expectations on parents. No, she's not a maid. If you want a maid, go get a maid. And even the maid, they get tired. Don't bring your parents here to enslave them. Don't bring your parents here kubachanda. Don't bring your parents here to financially abuse them. Don't bring your parents here to use them while you're saving your money to do investments. You are making the wrong decision. My break is over. Tinda asaba. Tiansabe topic ya Bible ne enkom sana na mechikubutura antara asaba. Na ande nibwate Facebook page ntagete Nimbate Facebook page toko kwa na igoro ya family no mga kone every Sunday at 1 p.m. So onye tora like my page, go and like that page every Saturday. Tigansa be doro amangana ya tingo batinsaba because amangana na makong on Sunday ndobate program to achagete no mga kone tota itoko kwa na igoro ya family. This weekend we are going to talk about dowry. Mama ite abande bande muraru chiombe. Dowry na cohabiting abantu bakonganya batara nyomana. Igotonyora ali on Sunday na abekire Facebook page. Go and like that page. That way abantu bande banyenyole. Kero kwanye like ire kero toko kode video so you'll get it. We'll be coming every Sunday. Tokwa nigoro family and we want people to engage. Tigabo nonsabe. Monene nya site atambia mona asichinse chitwa chirega igase mitandao to wakirambia mono gwanyali ko toeli ogiri monene asitoko nyara komera n'abantu ba minto tonyali gukwana monene topic twabwaterera nya Bible abantu baro bakorusia Bible Kenya batabwati umupango monene baleta Bible iga bachaka kuba engai monene Bible mbarona baro bale turuko Kenya bamenyetega iga bayira abantu engai monene to gusabire green card yeke kenge saitani ki arusiri Bible Kenya bamenyetega iga Bible bachande gita abantu bamwe bakura abana bamwe baba bagukwa abagaka baba bakura Bible baba bakure lakini kubwate kana egente kigekoro ku saitani green card ki agarira Bible mbali ko genda Kenya omonene twasabira abantu bali ba saitani bwe green card yabwatiro nyale ko basibura Bible abanyale gwako yiru Kenya umonene tiga Bible baberega iga nande bagende Kenya bagendere ni relationship cya bakinete abanchirani cyanko cyaba bayiri babo nali baranyali gutwara good quality of life umonene ko Rusia Bible Kenya gaiga ko babeka hostage nimerememe konsana umonene ro emechanda Bible yabato etekere to bamenyeti kubwate kana cultural difference age difference environment tukubaleta sama goka monene tugusaba ngaki to kuigwana monene tiga abana baba intentional bamanye nekero tukuruse abayibuli Kenya nki tukubarusiri Kenya monene abayibuli mbaroro batabwati no ine insurance batabwati no ine meremo bakonyo monene banyali konyore meremo monene abayibuli mbale abandi banchite gukora chiliving bakunya wetana na chinyomba batigera abana baba barusiti Kenya abana bakuno monene asibale bamanye mna bakolere chimuma bayira nasabana baba bayigwana monene abayibuli mbaroro bachandire bagokoliwe emirimo nyomba balendeta abana because abana babo bono bale chinasi abandi bale chidoctor abandi bale chinjine n'emirimo bamenyete babatigireta abana monene abtu abasabire ebine bibe bagokora batigirete imwane byo monene America bi America ino biroche bina bitariko iwa mbiri ko bwati instructions ya chandira abayibuli tugosabira abantu abakoreta abayibuliga bakeichi shift yo monene umuntu akore shift yemo usebali abana chideke abayira abana iba abagucanda abayibuli omonene tata abayibuli baro omonene batabwati masikani twabasabira omonene banyale kumanya nga twamanyire ibintu bagokora nande busaitani babwate banyale gutigo monene tiga tubange mnakero tukuruse abayibuli kamupango kitugutwara kero tukuruse abayibuli ka nande monene chibese cyabere kirigente kebe chibese na cyabere cya saitani yenene kero muntu ni chibese akuri abandi bakuri batabwati mupango monene tusabira abayibuli bali bagatigire Kenya umuyibuli yo maletira yo ndagatigire Kenya gacandegete muinyora amasabo monene no maito bururu baroche kera abayibuli bakiniri abana bagocha komenyamo monene obogo tunali baganitigo konya na monoko bwa matukando monene twasabira monene ikitwa kwana lero abantu banyale gusamba samanga naye abantu banyale gukwana amo nandi kubwa muno monene to ekisembi na kitugosuka bosyo nali turanyale gukonyana kubwa mono tutakonya nitibono ndoche nga guchibosito gucha kwenyora turasa akonsana because abantu bali turega iga America kubwa mono chibese chitu chinyinge Kenya tugutoma lakini ntwe bange tibijaiga twabere n'amasirebu monene tuiranira obosirebu buli bwalenga akale tumenyete emirimo abantu twarwete Kenya twabwata good quality of life ndubwati quality of life chinyomba tugwaka na chibese chiri winye chiri wisana umuntu awaka n'enyomba yo korara atali korara monene amenyete emirimo umuntu kera lituko n'emirimo ari lakini ngwaka nale nyomba monene ubuno busaitani ubobe bakonye twasabira monene nyande naroro twakwana lera atari amarongo nyale gutora monene kubwa mono monene go twakisemi nandi tunyale go semanye nali turanyale go konya na kubwa monekere goche topic abayibuli no batolete tense nandi tutete go kole ibintu bikubalete rubu yasibale nandi kubalenda ba make sure nga abayibuli mbiya balendire nali mbacha ko tekolera abonye kwe umi bawo kumwa ngaki abana abato cyanda twasabira yonse seretera Kristo yo mutoro ito umaitenege na gusika maiso ga igapara bangana talia makomu nyasawo yo like my page on Sunday tumira negalia penny keeping up with Penny tukwa na mangana yo haya